What is up, guys? Mi casa is your casa, my channel is your channel. Hopefully everyone's having a great day. Oops. All right, got it? All right, let's go. So last time I think I showed you guys how I sold the racing shirt, and I think it was that like jean jacket. Pretty cool pieces that I had. Both got in my Goodwill for nothing, and I sold them. I think the racing jacket I sold it for like $70, and the other one I sold it for like 20 something bucks. 25, I think. Anyways, so I've sold more items since then, which is cool because it's only been like not even a week yet. So I sold these two. I sold these two pieces last night. It was a Mickey Mouse Disney shirt and a Spider-Man comic shirt. I lowered these $10 a piece, and they had to pay the shipping. Really cheap, just because I'm trying to get rid of the stuff. So whenever I buy more stuff, I don't have a lot of stuff just piled up. And I'll show you guys what I'm talking about. And so I sold these two together, made I think $7 off of them. Yeah, like $7. And the other day, not too long ago, I'll show you guys as well. I sold a Kobe shirt and a some other shirt. Oh, it was a Looney Tunes sweater, hoodie type thing. And I sold that for $17. That's how much I got. I actually sold it for like $35. But they had to pay. I had to pay the shipping and stuff. So after the fees, I'll show you. But I made $17. But we're still killing it. But let me show you guys my room real quick, where I have all my clothes. So this is it, guys. And I don't have any lighting in here, but this used to be a little bunk bed, and now I just have all the t-shirts, all the jackets, all the light jackets, and more tees back there. So I have all the tees here. All the tees. This is a jacket. I don't know how it got there, but it's there. Some crew necks, but it's mostly tees. I'll try to organize that. I didn't see those there earlier. Got a jersey there. Got a Peyton Manning shirt right there. So this is basically my inventory. And I got the hats that I got posted right there. I got some of the shoes that I got that I'm going to post. And then more t-shirts right here. Yep, all these are tees. Got some of the pants. I got more pants, but I got them put up. And this is just a little vintage throwback, shelf, if you want to call it. And then all the jackets, the crew necks. So most of these things I have posted on Depop. If they're not on Depop, then they're on Facebook. And then I got my hats. I got more hats that I need to but organize. This is all white clothes that needs to be done. All stained white clothes. So basically, it's piled up because what I'm thinking, I'm probably gonna tie-dye them and then sell them tie-dyed. So I think it's gonna look better because some of them have a lot of bad stains. So I feel like if I tie-dye them, it's gonna look better. And this is clothes I just don't have hangers for. And these are all like clean clothes that I still need to hang up. And it's all posted on Depop. And then I got the big jackets right here. As you guys can see, big puffy jackets. Got IU, got the Indy Racing, got this Oklahoma Nike sports jacket, super dope jacket. It's just really big. And then we got this vintage Notre Dame jacket that just fell. Gotta put that. And then got this Puma sweater right here. So this is everything I got. I got more stuff, but it's in the closet. And as you guys can see, I have this bed here. This was my son's room. He never sleeps in it, so I just turned it into my closet, into a big closet, and this is where I have everything. And I like coming in here, looking at my inventory, and seeing everything. So yeah, guys. But I'll keep you guys tuned with more everything I sell. Tomorrow I'll be hitting the flea market. I'll be selling my stuff. I'll be having a little stand. I'll be selling some clothes, and I'll make a video and I'll show you guys. And you gotta just keep on hustling, keep on grinding. If you can't sell on Depop, sell on Facebook. If you can't sell on Facebook, go to flea markets, have a little stand, make some money. My goal is to have a store by next year. So all this money is being saved up, is being reinvested, and hopefully 812 becomes a brand, and hopefully you guys love the brand, and hopefully you guys grow with me, and you guys can see how success is. It doesn't happen overnight, and it doesn't happen given to you. You have to work for it. So have a great day, guys. Thank you so much, and I love you. Please subscribe, like this channel, like the page, share me, do everything you got to do. Get me up there, guys. Let's go. Have a great day. All right, guys. So I think the last time I showed you guys this jacket. I made $22.50. The buyer paid the shipping. That's how much I took at the end of the day. $22.50. And then the next day, I literally sold these shorts. Set them. I think I set them for 15 or 10 bucks. With shipping included. I just wanted to get rid of them. Made $4, and then I sold these two shirts for 17. I got $17.50. They were 35, but shipping was $14. After all the fees and everything, I got $17.50, which is not bad. And then I got last night. I sold these two shirts. I had them for $10 each. I just wanted to get rid of them really. And I still made money off of him, made $7 at the end of the day after all the fees and everything. And, you know, I got it for cheap. So I'm just trying, as long as I make $5 off each shirt, I'm good, you know, so that's why I'm doing it.